Diksha is a safe and welcoming environment, and I've already started advising people to join Diksha because I want them to go through the experience what I've already we're all going through, and it's really nice. It's really different, and there's no mixture of concepts. It's very crystal clear. There's a lot of clarity in what we are doing. It's not that we're unfocused. It's very nice. We get to know about what specifically we are doing and what to prioritize.
It's very nice at Diksha because it has sports, it has DK. Mostly it's academics, but then it's nice here. You won't get that stress. You don't have to go to another tuition after your classes, and you have a lot of time for your self-studies. That will help you a lot, and your results are also assured at the end of 2 years if you put in your best hard work, and that way coming into Diksha will help us a lot. So I would always suggest anyone to join Diksha because it's really nice here.
Yeah, so at Diksha, there are same set of teachers for the 2 whole years, and so yeah, the student gets like used to the way a teacher teaches, and so will be very sure with the way. I mean, he or she will be able to understand it very well. But in case you go to tuitions, there'll be like 2 different sets of teachers, and you will get confused with the concepts, and you can't really concentrate on everything here and there. So yeah, I would honestly recommend most of them to join Diksha.
Diksha definitely makes you serious, hard work, and it really tells you what you need and prepares you for the future. And I think this is a really good base, these 2 years, as it's very important. And I would definitely suggest Diksha to many students. And even the people who are not serious, they will definitely come in the right path if they choose Diksha. That's what I feel.
No, I don't think so. We have many other co-curricular activities like IQ, Literary Fest, and we do have games every week. Like we have exposure for the sports too, and we have annual day every year. And IQ was really great, and we got to know many things through that. And yeah, so it's just not only about the academics, and it gives equal importance to both.
Obviously there is academics because it's an integrated college, but there are extracurricular activities. We have games, etc. So we get to have fun too.
So along with our academics, we also have our sports day and our annual day, and the annual day is actually coming up soon in November, and it's going to be a lot of fun because all I know right now is that we have events like dance, music, and so much more, honestly. And it's going to be a huge break from our studies, and we also have Ethnic Day. We have Intercollegiate Sports Day that's coming up also in the end of November, and it has all the sports. Honestly, it has basketball, it has throwball, volleyball, football, and it's going to be a lot of fun.
Of course, we have to give priority to academics, but other than that, as already they all have mentioned, we have DCare, D-Life, Games are and everything, but also we usually have assembly every single day. We get to speak about any topic like we wish, and so the speech which every student gives is inspirational and motivational, and also like at the beginning of the day we have assembly, so it's a kind of entertainment at the beginning of the day, and later we can get back into our studies. And so yeah, assembly also helps us is away from academics.
So how our body needs detoxing, the same way our mind also needs refreshing, and that's what STA exactly does. It is a very important aspect in our day-to-day, so that we can actually manage between the periods also, and not taking it in a very hectic way. It helps us to control. It helps us to understand for some time, take some break, and then again get back to what we were doing.
Diksha for a better future.
Oh yes, go for it.
See you at Diksha.